In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set proofing language in OneNote. If your spelling and grammar suggestions in OneNote are showing the wrong language, or you want the app to check your notes using a different dictionary, this process is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can update the proofing language in the desktop version of OneNote. Start by opening your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're using the desktop application on your computer, since the setting we need is located there. Once your notebook is open, you can move to the app settings. Next, go to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu for OneNote. From there, look toward the lower part of the left side panel and choose Options. This is where OneNote stores many of its general preferences, including language settings. When the Options window appears, select Language. This section controls the languages used for editing, proofing, and authoring across the app. If you've never changed this before, you'll probably see the current default language already listed. Now focus on the area labeled Office Authoring Languages and Proofing. This is the section that determines which language OneNote uses for spell check and related writing tools. It's important to choose the correct language here, especially if you regularly write notes in a language other than your current default. At this point, click Add Language and then select the language you want to use. Take a moment to choose carefully, since this will affect how OneNote identifies spelling and grammar in your notes. If the language you need is available in the list, simply select it and add it. After adding the language, click Set as Preferred. This tells OneNote that this should be the main proofing language going forward. In other words, it becomes the language the app prioritizes for writing assistance and correction tools. Finally, click OK to save your changes. Once you do that, your new proofing language preference will be applied. In some cases, you may need to restart OneNote for the change to fully take effect. So if you don't see the update right away, just close and reopen the app. That's all it takes to set the proofing language in OneNote. Once this is updated, your spell check experience should be much more accurate for the language you actually use in your notes.